Hey, look at this. You're watching a video like so real. It feels like a Hollywood movie coming alive right in front of you. Crazy, right? But here's the thing. It's not real. And you're probably thinking, wait, did Google make this? Or some ultra expensive open AI stuff? Nope. Not even close. What you're seeing, it's made using a secret AI weapon. It's stronger than VEO 3, more cinematic, more mind-blowing. But guess what? This tool isn't free. It's not even open to everyone. Except, I found a way. I went deep and I discovered a hidden backdoor, a secret path that lets you use this tool totally free and unlimited. No credits, no subscriptions, nothing. Completely free. So today, I'm not just showing you another AI tool. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. And trust me, almost nobody knows about this yet. That's why you can't skip even 1 second of this video. Because once you unlock this, your dream videos, they'll look more real than real life. So, ready? Let's dive in. Before I drop this crazy tech stuff on you, I just need a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and tap that bell icon. It's totally free for you. But for me, it's like a massive energy boost. I mean, just imagine. I spend so much time digging, testing, and figuring this stuff out. Also, you get the coolest tips out there. Your support, it charges me up even more. Let's go. Alright, today we're diving into a hidden gem called Seedance. It's made by ByteDance. Yeah, the same team behind TikTok and CapCut. Now, you've probably seen the hype around Google's new VEO 3, right? Everyone was losing their minds over it. But while all that buzz was going on, this ByteDance crew was quietly working on something way smoother, more flawless, and seriously more realistic. Honestly, this model could totally take down VEO 3. And here's the kicker. While VEO 3 costs a pretty penny, this tool is 100% free. Yep, you heard that right, free. So if you want next level smoothness without breaking the bank, Seedance might just be your new best friend. Alright, here's how you pull off this trick. First up, if you're not in the US or Europe, you gotta fire up a VPN. I'm using NordVPN myself, but honestly, any VPN will do. Just connect to a server in the US or European any country. Once you're connected, head straight over to Dreamina AI. I've dropped the link down below. Look to the top right and hit that sign up button. I use my Google account to sign up, so I recommend you do the same, quick and easy. Then pick your birth year. You can even put a fake birth date if you want. That's no big deal. If any pop-ups show up, just close them and keep going, bro. Once you log in, you'll see 0 credits in your account, and that's actually a good sign. It means everything's working perfectly. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, 0 credits, but the generator's locked. It says it's not available in this country. Here's the deal. That happened because I had my VPN turned off. So turn your VPN back on and connect to any server in the US or UK. Then refresh the page and boom, the whole platform unlocks. From here, you can create as many videos as you want. And the best part, it's totally free. All right, let's start with a simple text to video test. I'm typing in. A Persian cat is soaring through the sky with 2 wings. Then hit generate. Damn, in just a few seconds, it spits out a perfect 4K clip. Insane, right? But hey, that was just the basics. Let's level up. Now I'm going to write a single line from 3 different points of view about a real movie scenario, and let's see what happens. I'm typing in foggy forest at sunrise, the camera gliding between tall trees. Cut to a quiet mountain village waking up in golden light. Cut to a lone hiker silhouetted on a sunlit ridge. And alright, now we hit generate. Bro, damn, look at this. It totally gets the story. It knows exactly how to create cinematic shots. This isn't just some random tool, man. It feels like having your own co-director right there with you. And hey, we're not stopping there. Once your video's ready, you can actually take it even further. Just click on it, a whole bunch of new options show up. You can add extra frames to make it look buttery smooth, crank up the quality, and yep, you can even create your own custom soundtrack. Okay, now let's get to the really amazing part, talking avatars. See the AI avatar tab up top? Go ahead and click on it. Now all you gotta do is upload a photo. For example, I've uploaded an AI-generated avatar right here. Then click on the speech option and you'll see 2 choices, generate from text and upload audio. If you're going for lip sync, just type your text right there. Or if you already have a voice file, you can upload that too. I'm gonna hit generate from text, paste in my script, and pick a voice from the list. Next, you'll see 2 modes, Avatar Turbo and Avatar Pro. Since Pro is still free, always go with that one. It looks way more natural. And the best part? Yeah, it's still completely free for us. Now I'm here on screen.
You don't need to be perfect. Just start, stay consistent, and success will follow.
And hey, full transparency, I didn't even try to match the voice exactly, but once you see how realistic the lip sync looks, you're gonna be blown away. Once upon a time, AI felt like pure science fiction magic, but now it's right here, literally at your fingertips. Today, that power, it's all yours. You can bring any photo to life. You can create endless B-roll shots, turn a single line of text into an entire campaign, or make a digital human say whatever you can dream up. It's all up to you. Your imagination is the only limit. I've dropped all the links down below, so go for it. Push the boundaries, turn the impossible into possible, and hey, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.